How to add extra baggage on Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add extra baggage on Air Transat. To do so, visit the Air Transat website, just like I've done here. And then once you're on the website, you must note that there are two different ways to add extra baggage on your Air Transat account. The first way is while booking a flight. And the second way is if after you booked a flight and then you realize that you need an extra baggage. So if you've booked a flight already and you want to add an extra baggage, it is still simple. Once you're on the Air Transat website, scroll down until you can see a mini page where you can see options like flight, baggage, car, more, flight status, online check-in, manage my booking. So click on that. Once you click on manage my booking, you'll be brought to the manage my booking page. And so on this page, you can see the different services available. Option plus additional baggage, which is exactly what we want. So once you can see that, just scroll down and enter in your details that is on your ticket while booking the flight. So just go ahead and enter in your first name, your last name, your confirmation number, year, and then your departure date. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the flights page. And on the flights page, you will see the option for you to select baggage type. All right, or you see the option add extra baggage. First of all, select it and then select your baggage type. It could be additional checked bag, it could be your sports equipment. Select it, then confirm your selection and pay any applicable fees. That is it, and it's as simple as that. But then if you're trying to book a flight, all right, trying to book a flight before you're trying to choose or add an extra baggage while booking a flight, it is more straightforward. Just select the flight option here and then select your location, where are you coming from, where are you going to, your departure, your return, number of passengers. Then scroll down and click on continue to connect air, and then you'll be taken to the Air Transat page where you can select your flight. All right, so select the flights that you'll be going with, click close, right click select, and then the one that will bring you back. All right, and then you can see different categories here: fares, passengers, seats, luggage. Okay, so that's where we are heading to. So just go ahead, select. Okay, so for me, you can see the offers here. So select and then click on continue, and then you take it to the next stage where you'll be asked to enter in your details as a passenger. Ensure you do that, then click on continue as well. Then you'll be brought to the seat selection process. Ensure you select your seat and click on next flight, or you can just keep seats if you don't want to select a seat, and then you'll be brought to the luggage option. So here now you can see the package that I'm on already. You can see that I have a free seat, and then you can decide to add an extra baggage by clicking on add here. Okay, just click on add and you can see that the fee has been added, okay, to it. And then you can scroll down. You can also add a checked bag. If you need as many bags as possible, you can add a checked bag as well. And then once you're done, continue and make your payment. So these are the two different ways whereby you can book, you can add extra baggage on your Air Transat flight. Sorry. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.